So this is my cycle. We have ordered the cycle online and I'll show you the price of the cycle. This is the cycle, 39,999, and this is the cycle we have ordered online. Let me show you the cycle once again. This is the cycle, you can see this. Yes, black cycle, the rock side. Actually the clearance sale is going on. This is the 60,000 cycle on 40,000. So many cycles are there. It's a very beautiful cycles, all from the rock side and others also from the rock side only. And you're thinking from where I have ordered, this is the Decathlon shop. You can see that all this stuff, they have so much of here. See, you can see so much of cycles they have. 26,000, this all 44,000. This is my favorite cycle and this price is 17,000. I wanted this cycle. When I tried the demo, I felt like it is not for cycling, it is just to play. It is just for the time pass. But the cycle looks very beautiful. It is 17,999. And you can see here the kids section cycles. All are starts from 6,000. They are unboxing my cycles. So we'll see how it looks like that. Yes, this is my cycle. This is the M size. They did not have M size in the store, so we ordered M size. This is my cycle. And they need to do some installations. We'll see. This is ST530. You can see this. This is the actual cycle. Yes. Thank you. So I will give you the description, everything about the cycle.